And good Tuesday afternoon to you. Thanks for subscribing to Whiteboard Weather here on YouTube. We're going to get to the weather information for western Pennsylvania, the Pittsburgh area, and the surrounding area as well for the next several days. Needless to say, there are going to be some changes coming, and they're going to occur the second half of the weekend and early next week, with March likely coming in like a lion, as the saying would go. But in the short term, a little bit of a nuisance system coming through tomorrow, otherwise near to above average temperatures into the start of the weekend. So let's quickly get to the maps for today. Whoop, sorry about that. Current setup has system down to the south and west. You see this low that's back near Kansas City. That is going to start lifting toward the Ohio Valley, or maybe more in this direction, in the next 24 hours. It's a weak area of low pressure and just has enough moisture to create a little bit of a nuisance precip here in the next 24 hours. This is 7 o'clock on your Wednesday morning. The range of this area of precip in the Great Lakes, probably too far south on this particular map. I think there could be a few flurries near I-80, but not much further than that. And then as the low tracks closer and the warm front gets closer as well, that'll likely bring with it some light rain showers, maybe mixed with some wet snowflakes again for those areas north. This is the about lunchtime on Wednesday. You'll notice again mostly rain in southwestern Pennsylvania, maybe a few flakes to the north. And then this is tomorrow evening, Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock, that weak low directly overhead, tracking by. Precip will continue into the evening and then taper off, and then high pressure is going to build in with some drier conditions expected as we head through the day on Thursday. And I think mostly dry into the start of the weekend, at least Friday as well. So here's the breakdown, the highlights. Light nuisance precipitation tomorrow, near to above average temperatures through Saturday. The temperature change will start on Sunday as it turns colder, with the lion-like arrival to the month of March. So as we head to the whiteboard, you will see that we'll get to these details momentarily. Sunrise, sunset times, getting later with the sunset, earlier with the sunrise. Average high and low as we round out or get close to ending the month of February. 42 and 25 for February. Total precipitation, which is liquid and then snow melted down, is 3.97, so just a shade under 4 inches, which is a surplus of 1.84. So another above average month with regard to precipitation, and also above average are temperatures for the month, 3 degrees. So we'll finish the month above average with our mean temperature. Tonight, partly or mostly cloudy, I should say, 22. Tomorrow, 43. Scattered light rain or a few wet snow showers. It's not going to be much, just again more of a nuisance. Then tomorrow night, light rain showers early, then clouds linger late, 26. On Thursday, clouds win out over sunshine, 39. Friday, 46 degrees, a mostly cloudy sky. Few showers on Saturday, 42. And then Sunday, it turns colder, 32 the high, and right now it looks like on Monday, the temperatures that day may not be getting out of the 20s, so the first full week of March looks like a chilly one. As I mentioned, a lion-like start to the month. Right now, we're only clock changes on the 10th, so we are about 11 days away from daylight saving time kicking back in, and that would make us about 3 weeks or so, 21 days away from the official arrival of spring, the vernal equinox, which happens on the 20th of March. So a couple of notes there moving forward in the next excuse me, couple of weeks. That's going to do it for today. Thanks for joining us here on Whiteboard Weather on YouTube. Please spread the word. Tell some other folks to subscribe to the channel as well. We're going to post here regularly, not only weather videos, but also other fun stuff as we go over time. Thanks for tuning in today. Appreciate it. Talk to you tomorrow.